The Story of the Inventions Specialized Planes for Scientific Research. The story of the invention of specialized aircraft for scientific research is a fascinating one that spans many decades. In this article, we will explore some of the key developments in the history of scientific research aircraft and the impact they have had on scientific discovery. The idea of using aircraft for scientific research dates back to the early 1900s, when the first manned flight took place. At the time, aircraft were primarily used for military purposes, but scientists soon realized the potential of aircraft for conducting research in fields such as meteorology and geology. One of the earliest examples of a specialized research aircraft was the Lockheed U-2, which was developed in the 1950s for use in high-altitude atmospheric research. The U-2 was capable of flying at heights of up to 70,000 feet, allowing scientists to collect data on the Earth's atmosphere and climate. Another important development in the history of scientific research aircraft was the development of the NASA DC-8 aircraft in the 1960s. The DC-8 was equipped with a range of scientific instruments, including sensors for measuring atmospheric gases and particulate matter, as well as instruments for measuring radiation and other environmental factors. In the 1970s, the development of the Gulfstream II research aircraft marked another important milestone in the history of scientific research aircraft. The Gulfstream II was designed to be highly versatile, with the ability to carry a range of scientific instruments and equipment for use in fields such as atmospheric research, oceanography, and geology. In recent years, advances in technology have enabled the development of even more specialized research aircraft. For example, the NASA Global Hawk drone is capable of flying at altitudes of up to 60,000 feet for up to 30 hours at a time, allowing scientists to collect data on a range of environmental factors. The impact of scientific research aircraft on scientific discovery has been significant. These aircraft have enabled scientists to collect data in areas that would be difficult or impossible to access by other means, such as high-altitude atmospheric research and oceanography. They have also enabled scientists to study environmental factors and phenomena in real time, providing valuable insights into the Earth's climate and ecosystems. In conclusion, the story of the invention of specialized aircraft for scientific research is one of innovation and ingenuity. From the early days of aviation to the present day, scientists and engineers have worked to develop aircraft that can enable us to better understand the world around us. As technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more advanced and specialized research aircraft in the future, continuing the legacy of scientific discovery and exploration. Tiek Tuc Va Kong Trung Lap. Scientific research aircraft have played a vital role in advancing our understanding of the natural world. In this article, we will explore some of the challenges and opportunities associated with the use of research aircraft, and how they are being used to advance scientific research today. One of the biggest challenges facing scientific research aircraft is the high cost of research and development. Designing and building specialized research aircraft requires significant investment, as well as ongoing maintenance and upgrades. This can make it difficult for researchers to access the equipment and resources they need to conduct their work. Another challenge facing scientific research aircraft is the issue of safety. Research aircraft are often used in extreme environments, such as high altitude or remote locations, where the risks of accidents and equipment failure are high. Ensuring the safety of researchers and crew members is critical to the success of scientific research missions. Despite these challenges, scientific research aircraft present a range of opportunities for advancing our understanding of the natural world. For example, they can be used to study the effects of climate change on the Earth's atmosphere and ecosystems. They can also be used to explore